I asked AI to improve my scallop sushi, and this is what it made. It was incredible. First, it wanted me to grab the best quality scallops. I found ones from Hokkaido. Then it wanted a marinade of soy sauce, sake, and mirin. This firmed up the textures and gave it a sweet flavor.
5 hours later.
I'm going to cut these in half for sushi. I noticed the plain ones are way softer. I'm scoring the top because we'll be doing a Kewpie torch for these two final pieces. Grab 15 grams of seasoned rice, little dab of wasabi, squeeze, rotate, squeeze. Next, they recommended textures, so I'm adding jalapeno slices and tobiko. Finally, it recommended citrus, so I'm adding yuzu kosho and some yuzu juice as well. The last two pieces are getting a dollop of Kewpie, which is going to be torched. This will cause a Maillard reaction to give it a nice taste. These are also getting the jalapenos, tobiko, yuzu kosho, and yuzu juice. I almost forgot, they're all getting grunions too. Let's give it a taste. That is a delightful explosion of flavors on your palate.
Ooh, spicy.
The sweet and creamy flavor of the scallop is balanced with the tangy and citrus taste of the yuzu juice. Let's try the next one. That one's even better. The marinade is so complex. It's made the texture firmer, and I can taste a slight notes of sake and a layer of sweetness that complements the scallop well. Now let's try the plain Kewpie seared one. This is one of my all-time favorite bites. The torched Kewpie is smooth and velvety with a smoky and caramelized flavor. It builds upon the previous layers, and I'm super excited for this last one. Wow, this one is so smoky. I think the sugar from the mirin got into the scallop, and what happened was that the torch caramelized it.
Wow.
It has this really toasty brown sugar flavor that's just incredible. I'm going to make a second batch. For me, I think that might be the perfect bite of sushi.